So just received another package from Lockman, and I don't know what this is. So I'm going to open it and see. So join me for another unboxing. I'm just going to unbox it from the bottom, and we'll see what we have here. I have a feeling it's going to be something interesting because it's slightly heavy, but not too bad. Turn it upside down so in case there's a packing slip in there, I can not show it. Okay. NASB Wide Margin Reference Bible. Let's see what we've got. Imitation leather, brown. Looks interesting. Here's the specs. I don't know what this looks like inside. I like the little rounded spine when they do that. It always stands out to me. It always looks nice. Ooh, I know what this is. So this is the Lockman version of the Skylar Stridon. So that looks pretty nice. If you're familiar with the Skylar Stridon, then you'll already know what this is like. The paper's pretty nice. I'm gonna have to separate the pages and get it ready for the review. Use it a little bit. I always do that first. That's why they look like they come unseparated, because I separate them. So I will separate these pages, use it just for a little bit, and then be back for a review. So stay tuned.